Hi Sierra Nevadans, it's Dr. Evans. I want to give a little bit of an update on Sierra Nevada for you today. There's a lot going on. As I stand here out in our courtyard, I'm hearing airplanes and helicopters and all kinds of things, and I want to say thank you to the firefighters. Thank you to all of you guys out there flying around out there, keeping us safe. That guy right there, appreciate all that you're doing, spotting fires, fighting fires, and also checking the power lines to make sure that they're okay after the wind that we've had the last 2 days. On the power, I wanted to explain how things work at the hospital with power outages. So Grass Valley has had a power outage for the last couple of days. I'm told that the power should be restored here soon. But what happens when the power goes out because of one of these planned outages, PG&E has been able to establish a quote-unquote microgrid for the hospital, but also for other areas in Grass Valley, which is hugely important for the hospital so that we don't have to shut down services. It is not completely seamless every single time, and we have to prepare for the power to be turned off and then turned back on again, and there's a lot of logistical work that we have to do, and sometimes that results in delays of a surgical case that we have scheduled and other things. So thank you everybody for your flexibility. If you're a patient who had something scheduled right at 1 o'clock and now it's going to be 2 o'clock, I really appreciate your understanding of all the machinations that we have to go through when the power gets cut over. I want to say thank you also to the Family Birth Center team, the nurses and the techs and the leadership and everybody that's involved in women and infant care here at Sierra Nevada. We've seen a lot of social media talking about how fantastic the experience is in the OB area for mothers and babies and families. And we just really appreciate all the hard work that's gone into that area and the great care that's being provided to laboring moms. I also want to welcome Dr. Clayton Hess. Dr. Hess is brand new to Sierra Nevada Memorial Hospital. He is the medical director of the radiation oncology program here at Sierra Nevada, and he is taking care of patients now, and he is phenomenal. He is very well trained. He's an incredibly nice man, and I'm grateful that he is here taking care of cancer patients at Sierra Nevada in our community. Thank you to everybody out there for all that you're doing, being safe. Try to avoid the smoke if you can. I tell you, the smoke has been very interesting. We had a cloud formation come over the hospital yesterday that it looked like Voldemort had come into Grass Valley. Hopefully not, and I'm hoping that the smoke starts to pass here in the next couple of days, but it's been really quite a test of our resolve. So thank you all for what you're doing and supporting the hospital and our community.